Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. How Amazon recently helped Shiba Inu Coin achieve $1 this year. Shib news right now: the Shiba Inu community has continued to flourish and remain optimistic as a result of the meme coin's expanding adoption. A Layer 2 network named Shibarium, a metaverse called Shib the Metaverse, many blockchain-based games, and the Shiba Inu ecosystem all have active initiatives. We will discuss what Amazon recently accomplished with the Shiba Inu currency to assist it reach $1 this year in this video. Shib news right now: remember to give it a big thumbs up. To view our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Prior to that, members of the Shiba Inu community opened Welly, a burger establishment run according to the Dog DAO and accepting Shib. In a similar vein, early this year, the Turkish government disclosed plans to collaborate with the memecoin ecosystem. The activities are anticipated to elevate the Shib token from being a parody of cryptocurrencies to something more significant, significantly increasing its value. Shib is currently trading at $93, up 4.3% over the previous day. The Shiba Inu ecosystem's tokens, including Shib Bone and Leash, will soon have additional liquidity pools available on the Farm DeFi platform, according to Civilization, the first decentralized investment fund in the world. The three pools with the names Shib 1 LP Staking Pool, Bone 1P Staking Pool, and Leash 1 LP Staking Pool will collectively be known as Ryoshi Tribute Pools, according to the protocol, which was published in a blog post. For the inaugural DAO Pools session, it is time to offer new DAO pools on Farm. The community has recently expressed a lot of interest in a project named Ryoshi Tribute. The community will next vote on whether or not to include the polls in its governance platform, it was further said. All community members who possess its ecological rewards can use Farm. The voting period, which runs through November 27th, is open to Token Stone. There have been 13 votes cast on the proposal, all of which are in favor of including the polls. The pools will be accessible on SIF Farm following the voting for a period of 60 days starting on the day they are activated. Shib acceptance has been accelerated by the rise of civilization. The Shiba Kusama Ryoshi and the Shiba community are credited with inspiring the formation of the protocol, which was introduced exactly a year after the creation of the Shiba Inu. Through its Civ Community Investment Vehicle, token, which has also been listed on new CFI and DeFi exchanges, Civilization has the goal of enabling everyone to invest. The present Civilization endeavor is merely the most recent positive shift in the Shiba Inu ecology in recent days. The Shiba Inu community has also just welcomed a significant relationship with Amazon, which will see the e-commerce behemoth launch a Kickstarter effort to aid with the burning of Shib tokens. Similarly, Ryoshi indicated in a tweet that the World Economic Forum may be interested in cooperating with the memecoin to assist create regulations for the metaverse, and that the Shiba Inu ecosystem may be on its radar. With the help of these attempts, the price of Shib might soon emerge from bearish trading and hit new highs. According to the most recent price information, the memecoin is currently trading at about $89, a loss of 1.12% over the previous day. When compared to the Shib's all-time high price of $0.0087 in October 2021, this current price indicates an 89.8% decline. Memecoins have become one of the most widely used crypto assets in the market despite their recent introduction. Shiba Inus are driving the way. One of the most sensational assets making headlines in the cryptocurrency industry is the challenger to Dogecoin. The continuing expansion and development of the Shib network is based on strategic alliances and partnerships. When it's difficult for the majority of virtual currencies to survive, Shiba Inu has penned a significant contract despite the widespread volatility on the cryptocurrency market. According to a recent release, BitPay, a supplier of cryptocurrency payment solutions, has teamed up with the shoe manufacturer Atheist Shoes to take Shiba Inu as payment. It's interesting to note that consumers who choose to pay with the DOG token can benefit from a temporary 10% discount. Memecoin has also been progressively evolving into a traveler-friendly utility cryptocurrency asset, as the majority of platforms have started to improve the token's use on their payment networks. Among other cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu has developed into one of the most popular utility assets, after including it in the Binance Card, which allowed Visa cardholders to use Shib at almost 60 million merchant locations worldwide. Binance increased its awareness. Shiba Inu has seized the opportunity to overtake Dogecoin as the top meme token by receiving greater support from its devoted community, while its primary competition is still struggling. Shib, which was created as an alternative to Doge, is one of the most commonly utilized meme tokens for transactions and is already integrated by a number of companies for BitPay payments. The addition of Shib as a partner is yet another significant step for the leading meme cryptocurrency, which aims to surpass Dogecoin as the finest. Shib is the most prominent crypto token among the top 2,000 ETH whale holdings, according to data from the whale tracking platform Whale Stats. The meme is reportedly worth over $68 million to the ETH whales. Cryptocurrency. The best tokens are in third place, while Uni is in second place with approximately $43.5 million. Shib supported came in fourth as the most held crypto token, according to an analysis of the top 100 ETH whales. The 74,299,481,235 Shib tokens held by these top 100 ETH whales are presently valued $690,838. However, there are more whale addresses holding Shib, and recent action indicates that the coin has potential for the big ETH whales. However, whales can continue to keep more of the same asset despite market fluctuations. The recent activities of Shibs and whale are the two instances that have the biggest impact on the cryptocurrency market price. As a result, given that these two accidents just happened in the ecosystem, the price of the Shib could rise. Shiba is currently trading at $0.9399, down 2.7% from the previous day. The data indicates that a lot of investors think Shiba Inu isn't a utility coin. While that argument is still up for debate, our review team found that marketing is Shib's most effective tool. When most altcoins consolidated in October 2021, the coin had a rise. Its historic bull run was caused by its use of the memecoin era's Dogecoin hype to position itself as a superior alternative. After Dogecoin peaked, investors looked for another meme coin, and Shib was in the ideal position at the ideal time. Many investors had their doubts about the Shib's usefulness even before it sailed in 2021. But the reason many investors purchased the token was due to speculation, which greatly increased demand. When Shiba Inu combines successful marketing tactics with favorable market mood, it has a lot of potential. With 134 million Shib destroyed in the past week, Shiba Inu has seen an upsurge in token burn. With 223,264,370 Shib tokens burned in the previous 7 days, Shiba Inu has upped its token burn rate. The rate of market burning has increased. The current weekly statistic reflects an almost 100% increase in tokens burned in this time period when compared to the previous week, when only 106,780,540 Shib were burned and 29 transactions were completed. Normally, Shiba Inu's burning rate might have an impact on Shib's pricing, but this past week, it seems like there was a pump. Actually, the Shib from last Tuesday was worth $0.824. Shib is currently valued $0.9106, even approaching $0.595 this week, unlike the previous week, when it appeared that in addition to reduced burning, Shib's price would also decline. Shib had a value of approximately $0.09167 on November 15th, but precisely a lesser value on November 22nd. But with October's closing price of 20 cents, active Shib is still in a bearish trend from a monthly standpoint. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.